Here we are again, Groundhog Day. Not quite though, because rather than getting the trade early first thing this morning, I decided to have a little bit of a lay-in and got into my trade a little bit later, and it's hung around for best part of 2.5, 3 hours. So pay the price for not getting up at the crack of dawn with the sparrows and having a go at the trade at that time of day. So, 30-minute alert, which happened there, and then we got the pullback, drop down to the 5-minute, wait for the entry. Here's a pullback, here's the entry candle there, and as you can see I took it on the next candle, and just took my target short of the 25 line, as I always do, and I took what I could get out of this, and it was a nice little 13 pip trade. So that's today's trade. I'm sorry these can't be jazzed up anymore. There's not much more I can tell you. We can describe the trend here: low, high, higher, low, higher, high. We can clearly see we've broken what I call true resistance. That's a lower high that breaks the previous low. So the minute it broke, I'll mark that for you. The minute it broke that level, that was considered to be what I call true resistance, and as such, it's a useful. It is what we have to break through and bounce off of in order to for it to be a valid trade. But that is basically what I keep telling you this. The alert is telling us that some sort of resistance has been broken, which is what the moving average is. If you haven't watched the previous videos, the 3 moving average over the 10. I just choose to not have them on the chart, but that's what these arrows are telling us has happened. So when you get a pink arrow down, it means the 3 has crossed below the 10, which signifies some sort of resistance broken. And we can have a quick look at that one while because this is a rather short video. So at that point there'll be a trend in place on the 5-minute. Much the same as the one I just talked about. High, low, lower, high, lower, low. You could call that true resistance, because a true support rather, and the price continued on down, as you can see. So that's all we're trading all the time. It's not just a sort of fancy indicator system. It is support and resistance using trend analysis, and we just use the indicator to create a set of rules, really. I don't actually need to use these indicators, but I can do it by just looking at the candles. But the indicators are just as reliable, or not quite as reliable, especially this one, because it does sometimes print on the wrong candle. But as I say, I don't need the indicator to validate my trades. But there you are. So another trade, another example of a simple forex trading system. No doubt there were other charts showing trades around, and I'll have a look at those in a while and possibly make a video with one of those as well. Thank you for watching.